Hello everyone and welcome back to my studio, or if you're new here, I'm Louise, and today we are going to do something a little bit festive. I've been wanting to make some gold leaf bookmarks for Christmas. Simple, elegant little gifts that you can tuck into a card, use as stocking fillers, or even make as table favours. So I'm starting on a series of Christmas festive design projects. Please subscribe and you won't miss a single thing. I'm using these lovely wooden bookmarks I found on Amazon, and I will be adding all the links in the description below. And it comes with some tags in a variety of colours, and I bought some lovely bright gold ones as well, just to make it feel so festive. I'm actually really impressed with this set of bookmarks. There's a lot in the set. So in terms of all our materials that we're going to need, we need some brushes, some water, some of the specialist glue, which is called Size for the gold leaf, acrylic paints, and we're also going to need some imitation gold leaf. So some of the bookmarks I'm going to cover with gold leaf, and others I'm going to paint and then apply gold leaf details on top. For the first three bookmarks, I've decided to cover them with gold leaf on both sides. So we need to apply a fine coating of the Size, which is the specialist glue. It's easier than it looks, okay, so don't be intimidated. Just make sure that you have the right materials for the job, otherwise the gold leaf won't stick. And I am going to create some traditional festive designs, but obviously I'm going to do one with blossom, because if you know anything about me, you know that blossom is my favourite motif. It is a little bit fiddly because we're going to have to turn it over and do the other side as well. And I'm also going to go down all the edges. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a little piece of fishing wire, and I'm actually going to hang it up on a hook so that I can just let it go tacky without it sticking to anything. The important thing to remember when using Size for gold leaf is to leave the item to go tacky before you start to apply the gold leaf. So I have left these hanging for about an hour. Now I'm going to get my gold leaf, which is an imitation gold leaf by Barnabas Black Gold, which is a company that I really like. And each set comes with a pair of gloves, which I do recommend using because we're going to be sort of manhandling the gold quite a lot, and just avoids getting any sticky fingers on the gold. And what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to sort of wrap each little bookmark in a sheet of gold leaf, which is fun and easy, and you can always patch little areas up if there's any little bits missing. Now that each one is enrobed in gold, we're going to just give it a little burnish, by which I mean use the tissue and a soft brush and just really press the gold leaf into the surface. And then we're just literally going to brush away all the excess so that we have 3 perfect golden bookmarks. So see how I move onto a small stiffer brush if I've got little bits which are harder to get off. And I'm also using my gloves a lot to smooth the surface and get rid of the excess gold. Now, because I do not want these golden bookmarks to tarnish in any way, I'm going to add a quick layer of sealant, and I recommend this Decorator's Varnish by Polyvine with the gloss finish, and it just doesn't alter the gorgeous glow of the gold at all. So we're going to paint one side, let it dry, and then do the other side. I'm going to draw my simple designs onto the gold with a white Posca pen. So if you've never used them before, they're absolutely brilliant because it's got like acrylic paint inside the pen. So just two simple designs to start with, some simple holly and my lovely tumbling blossom. Now we can paint over our Posca design with our acrylics, and for my tiny details I like to use a rigger brush, which I will put in the description. And each layer of acrylics, I would say let's do 2 or 3 coats to make it look really wow onto the gold. And if you're not confident with acrylic painting, I actually have an online course, a beginner's course, introducing you to acrylics and everything you need to know. But I would say keep your design as simple or as elaborate as you like. And, you know, this one is actually a labour of love. I just want to highlight for you the difference when I start to add some different shades of green onto my holly leaf. So I paint one side dark and the other side light, and then I sort of merge the two together. So all of these extra little details and layers really make your design pop. And then when it comes to the blossom, I'm going to add lots of tiny details and layer up my snowy scene with a Christmas tree. So let's zoom through that so that we can move on to my second technique. And don't forget to turn the bookmark over and paint another design on the back if you want to. You don't have to. And what we're going to do now is we're going to get some more of these wooden bookmarks, and this time we're going to paint them with acrylic paint, let that dry, and then we're going to create a design with gold leaf details. So what you can do is create yourself a little template, and then you can play around with some design ideas before you actually launch into drawing onto the bookmarks. And then I'm going to take my white Posca pen and I'm going to draw directly onto the bookmark, and then this will be my outline for the gold leaf. Now it's time to apply the size, and again I've come back to my tiny rigger brush which has the most minute point, and I'm going to dip the very tip of the brush into the size, and I'm going to carefully paint over each of the leaves, the stems and the name, and then do the same with the red one. Then again we're going to have to leave this to go tacky, so let's leave it for an hour, okay? And then we're going to come back and apply little pieces of gold leaf. With this technique, you are going to need to do one design fully before you can start on the other side. So now we're ready to add little pieces of gold leaf, which we're just going to add to each area of our design and gently press down, and then we'll be ready for the big reveal shortly. Because we've left the glue to go tacky, we can be quite confident that when we brush away the gold, we'll have a nice solid design. If you use the glue when it's too wet, it's kind of going to get squashed and you're going to lose that crisp edge. This part of the process is my favourite. It's just so much fun revealing the design. You need to use quite a small stiff brush to really work away at that gold leaf. And I'm a little bit anxious about the names, so because the bookmarks are really small, these details are tiny. So I'm worried that I might lose some of the detail on the name, but luckily it's turned out really well. And my friend loves it, by the way. This process really is ridiculously satisfying, so if you've done this and you're trying this, I hope you're enjoying it. So now what I'm going to do for the final step, I'm going to choose which tassels to put on which bookmark, and then we will review our finished pieces. So here they are, all finished. I couldn't be more delighted. A little handmade touch of luxury for Christmas. They look gorgeous with a favourite book or just as a special little gift for friends or family. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Wait, press the bell so you can get my next festive tutorial coming up soon. And you know, I would love to see your designs, so you can always tag me on Instagram at Louise Dean Artist, and let's connect. Also, don't forget I've got newly open membership, so if you really want to be in my gold leaf gang, check it out and see what I've got to offer there. See you in the next one. Bye.